What if you could find out what's wrong with your car in seconds without going to a shop? Today, I'm reviewing the LAUNCH Creader 3001 OBD2 scanner, a simple plug-and-play tool that helps everyday car owners take control of engine problems and save money. Product features. The LAUNCH Creader 3001 is an engine fault code reader designed for all OBD2 compliant vehicles from 1996 and newer, including cars, SUVs, and light trucks. You just plug it into your car's OBD2 port. No apps, no Bluetooth, no batteries. It can read and clear engine fault codes, and it even has a built-in code definition library, so you don't have to search online to understand what the code means. It supports all major OBD2 protocols, including CAN, and it also shows IM readiness status, helping you check emissions readiness before a smog test. You can view live data, freeze frame data, O2 sensor results, EVAP system tests, and onboard monitor status, features you usually see on more expensive scanners. Pros and cons. Pros: very easy to use, perfect for beginners. Reads and clears check engine codes fast. Helps prepare for emissions and smog tests. No subscriptions, lifetime free updates. Solid build with a long, flexible cable. Cons: engine diagnostics only, no ABS or airbag systems. Screen is basic, not touchscreen, and not meant for professional-level programming. Overall review. Overall, the LAUNCH Creader 3001 is an excellent budget-friendly scanner for beginners and DIY car owners. It's even recommended by mechanic Scotty Kilmer, which says a lot. If you want reliable engine diagnostics without overcomplicating things, this scanner is absolutely worth it. If this video helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more smart car repair tips, and check the link in the description to see the current price on the LAUNCH Creader 3001. Thanks for watching, and take control of your car.